Welcome to this computer and Windows channel, or often the other way around, Windows and computer channel. And of course, in our quest to try to find out why Wi-Fi doesn't work well, and today is kind of a video about network congestion. So, if you have your Windows 10 PC, got problems connecting, but maybe have other devices. Maybe it's your phone, maybe it's your tablet that has problems connecting. Well, one of the things you need to know is, are there a lot of Wi-Fi networks around you? One indication of this is, of course, clicking the Wi-Fi icon on your computer, because this is going to give you a list. So you see here, this is the list of networks around me. So there's a certain number, as you see here. The more you have in that list, the more your PC might have problems connecting, because there is something called interference. Wi-Fi is a radio signal, and your computer, your phone, your tablet could be having or struggling with the connections because it's being interfered with. The signal from your router is interfered with other routers around you. If you're in Windows 10, there's an app that you can get in the store called Wi-Fi Analyzer. So if you go to your Microsoft Store and you search for Wi-Fi, here you will see that there's something called Wi-Fi Analyzer. That's the one that I use. It's a free app, but there's a pro version that has a few more options, including also removal of ads. It's by Matt Hafner. I've already talked about this quite a long time ago. Once it's installed on your PC, what is nice about Wi-Fi Analyzer is that it's going to give you an overall look at your signal. So it says here on the upper left, as you see here, 94%. It gives you all the details of the type of connections, what you're using in the channel, and of course, what are you using, a 2 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz connection. So you see here at the top, I'm on channel 157. The one in blue is the one you're connected to. So if you're connected to a router, you will see that in blue. The rest is available networks. As you see here, there's 16. And it's a mix of, 2 gigahertz, you see here 2.412 gigahertz, and 5 gigahertz signals, depending on who is actually using these. As you see here, a lot of them say hidden. And it's funny because you should know that a hidden network is never hidden, because it tells you, and it tells me what that is. So basically what you want in this Wi-Fi analyzer is to make sure that you're not on the same channel as somebody else. So that could be a difficult task, but it could be a good task to simply understand where you should be. You can actually analyze, if you want, the networks around you at the top. And you see here it creates bubbles. And it tells you which channels you might want to use. So if you're on 2 gigahertz, you see here a lot of people are on 1, a lot of people are on 11. There's really just one signal on 6. You could be somewhere in between. You can choose channel 3 or 4, or in this case, or 7, 8, 9. And of course, that means you will have a possibility of, knowing where you should be. In my case, if I click 5 gigahertz on the bottom right, you see I'm alone on 157, or almost. There's something else, but I could be moving my channel if I want. You see here, 5 gigahertz has a lot of channels. I could put myself somewhere in the middle here and remove the other signal in the middle here on 157. So according to this, I'm probably sharing a channel with somebody, which we'll be checking out, of course, and removing myself. Now, you're going to tell me, okay, but once I know what channel I'm on, and I know that a lot of others are on the same channel as I am, what can I do about it? What is the possibility of fixing this for me? Well, this happens on your router, and that's where it gets a little more difficult. You'll need to get into your router's menu, and change the channel manually, because all routers will let you change the channel that you're on. So of course that also means that often you'll have to restart the router after that happens and reconnect. But being on the same channel as somebody else is a major issue. And if there's a lot of people on that channel, as you've seen here when we analyze on 2.4, let's go back to 2.4. Look at all the people on channel 1. That means if you are on channel 1 right now here and where I live, your signal is not going to go very far because there's too many people there already. And chances are you'll have disconnects regularly because your computer, tablet, or phone might have issues because there's too many signals around and it gets kind of messed up because of that. It doesn't know how to connect anymore. You have similar apps on your iPhone and also on Android phones and tablets. So if you don't want to use your computer to test it out, you can actually check that out using a phone on Android, a tablet on Android, or your iPhone or iPads on the. So there are similar tools of Wi-Fi analyzer tools in the app stores. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.